I'm pissed.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, thank you so much for joining me here today. My name is Stephanie and I am a JFK based flight attendant for a major US carrier, and today I am starting a 4-day trip. So that means I'm going to be 4 days away from base, and our first layover today is going to be LA. So I'm going to be taking you guys on this journey with me. I'm just so excited to start vlogging my trips, just so you guys can get insight of what it looks like to be a flight attendant, learning different flight attendant things, seeing what our day-to-day is. So if you're going to be interested in that, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. If you're here because you saw my flight attendant training videos, thank you so much for the support. And if you have not watched my flight attendant training videos, go ahead and click the card right here and check those videos out, and then come back and watch this video so you can get a little bit of understanding the things that I went through to become a flight attendant. All right, so I've been a flight attendant for a little bit over a year now. So those flight attendant training vlogs are about a year old. I started training November 17th. I graduated December 21st. But we go by when you started training. So I've been a flight attendant for a little bit over a year now, about to be, a little bit over a year now. And I'm just super excited to start this journey with you guys and take you guys through just life as a JFK based flight attendant. And yeah, so I'm actually meal prepping my meals right now, like I said. And then we're about to get ready to go because it is almost 5 o'clock. It's like 12:30. Not to say it's almost 5 o'clock, but of course my report time is 5 p.m. So I got to be at the airport by like 4:15, 4:30, especially in this New York traffic, especially taking the air train and all the things. So if you're ready for that, then let's go. So this is all the food that I'm taking for my 4-day. Yes, it looks like a lot, but I'm gonna be gone for 4 days. So I basically follow the ketogenic diet. So no carbs, no sugar. So I made jerk chicken and broccoli. Then I made this citrus garlic ranch chicken with Greek yogurt. I got it from, it's kind of like a recipe from TikTok that I kind of spruced up myself. Y'all saw that? You see this piece right here? See this piece right there? It was so good. I made this one under the oven while I did this one on the stove, so I can do both of them at the same time. I really like seaweed. So I got seaweed, and I usually put it with these tuna creations, and I put avocado inside of it as well as sriracha on top, kind of like the rice salmon bowl, or like that thing that was on TikTok, but without the rice. So it's really good, especially with the avocado and the sriracha. I have to go get some avocado, so I'm going to stop at the store before I go to the airport. Then I'm going to make some wraps. So I have some turkey meat and some salami right here. I have eggs for a snack. some tomatoes, some onions, and some lettuce. I'm gonna put that with mayo. I usually have mayo packets, but I'm not going to JFK today. I'm actually flying out of Newark. They're going to limo me down to Newark, so I won't have any mayo. So I'm gonna bring some from home. And then I have some pork rinds to snack on, some Slim Jims, this protein bar from Think, which is keto. It's like this peanut butter pie, chocolate peanut butter pie, really good. And then I also brought this coffee. If you plan with keto is pretty okay to do. I realized I didn't have any veggies for this one, so I'm actually going to buy some veggies when I go get avocado. I'm just going to get a pack of broccoli, the same thing, so that I can just microwave it at the hotel. So yeah, it's about 2 something right now. So I'm about to get ready to go put on my uniform so that I can head over to the airport. All right, so here's all my meals inside of here. I decided to not take the mayo, and I'm just gonna find some mayo when I get to the hotel. They usually have restaurants that will have the packets. And then I put my lettuce inside of a small sandwich bag instead of taking that big ass lettuce thing. And so yeah, let's get ready to roll. Hey y'all, so I'm stuck in traffic. I was running a little late. I'm headed to JFK now so that they can limo me to Newark. Limo basically means that the company provides us with a car to bring us, to transport us to the airport where we need to fly out of. So I'm flying out of Newark to get to LA, so they're going to give us a car from JFK to Newark. This New York traffic is so crazy, so disgusting. I left my house at 3:15. It is 4:15. I have not made it to the airport. I'm literally usually about like 15, 20 minutes away. So this is just crazy. I can't make this up. I can't make it up. New York is crazy, y'all. Crazy.
So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. Ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. Whip, body, whip, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just
So I thought I was gonna be late, and turns out my report time is not until 5:20, not 5:05. So annoyed. So I'm just literally chilling here. I got an Americano with almond milk and sugar-free vanilla because I'm not a coffee drinker for real, but if I do drink coffee, it's gonna be an espresso because this flight, I land at 11 p.m. I land at 11 p.m. West Coast time, but that's 2 a.m. East Coast time. So I'm gonna need all the low energy I can get. But yeah, so I'm just here chilling, early on time and whatnot. So yeah.
I'm just a bachelor. I'm looking for a partner. Someone who knows how to ride without being falling on. Gotta be compatible. Takes me to my limit.
Hey guys, so I just got on the plane. We just briefed with the captain. So briefing basically means the captain tells us, the flight time. He tells us what to expect on the flight and just like information that we're supposed to know as flight attendants with the captain, with the pilots. And so we just finished that. Now we are doing our pre-flight check. So basically check the plane to make sure that it is safe to fly. I'm doing all of those, except I'm working in the back galley. I'm the number 4, and they are catering right now, so I'm kind of like in his way. So I just did all the pre-checks that I could do while not being in his way, and then I'm going to check all of the parts to make sure that we're good and we have everything we need to have a good flight. like for food, drinks, all that good stuff. And yeah, we're supposed to be boarding in about like 5 minutes. So yeah, 5 hours and 40 minutes till we get to LA. Yeah, so I'm really excited to take y'all with me, like for real. I think this is kind of cool, like vlogging and everything, because usually I'm just
Hey guys, let's brief real quick.
All right, I'm about to go brief with my crew, and I'll see you guys in a few.
Girl, when I break you out, I promise that you won't wanna get on. You're on it, let's do it. Ride it, up on it. My sandals, waiting, coming, jump on it. You're on it, let's do it. Ride it, up on it. My sandals, waiting, coming, jump on it. Sitting here flossing, peeping your stilo. Just once, if I had the chance, the things I would do to you, you and your body, every single portion.
Literally, flight attendant's worst thing ever. I'm like, I didn't even put it next to my phone, bro. Now I gotta go all the way downstairs with my luggage to go activate my key, or for me to get in a room. What the? Oh!
I'm pissed.
Just secured the key. Let's pray to God this one works. Jesus, please. So usually before I fully lock the door, I kind of like put the lock in the door, make sure ain't no monsters, creepsters, none of that in here. So this is the bathroom. Hey y'all, hey. All right. Decent, I guess. Looks like a good shower head though. We love that for us. Ooh, yes, mirror. Love it. Okay, closet. I literally hate single beds. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, I'm gonna tell you. I don't know, I usually just like one bed for putting all my crap on it and the other bed to sleep, like one bed to eat with all my crap on it and the other bed to sleep, but I only have one bed, so I can't eat in my bed or nothing. Here's where I put my suitcase. We have a refrigerator. That's nice. We have TV. Not the good TV. The good TV has like the Netflix and like all the apps you can put. Love that. Desk area. Here's my view. It looks cool. It looks nice. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. But yeah, nice. All right, so I'm about to take off all my clothes. I'm supposed to be linking with my friend. I don't know if I'm going to. I gotta hit him up to see if we're about to link. But if not, I'm about to take a shower, take all this stuff off. But I'm gonna let you guys know in a little bit. But we're in LA, so I'm trying to have a good time. Because I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Okay? So, let's get to it. I am headed out to go eat with my friend. So this concludes today's vlog. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked what you watched, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram so you don't miss any videos. Until next time, bye guys. And when I say next time, I mean tomorrow. See you tomorrow.